So finally we have a new video today. I know it's been late, and it's never late to actually upload a new video to the English channel, because I've been uploading a lot of videos to the Odia channel, and I have been also uploading a lot of daily vlogs to my Odia channel. So just in case if you don't understand Odia, still you can just go to the Odia channel and watch the Odia channel and watch my videos. But yeah, I'm just trying to make a new video every day on the English channel, maybe for the next 10 days, but we're gonna see how it happens. And today we have the washing session, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to wash all of my cars and bikes and how do I do that. And this video is sponsored by 3M. They have sent me a new kit, and actually those are the same items which I always use, but since they have sent me a new kit, I'm gonna show you what all items do I use and how do I use it. And just let's go and start with the washing session right now. So I'm gonna place the link below in the video description for this product and this product. So basically you get a kit of microfiber cloth in this, and you get this tire dresser, you get this car wash shampoo, you get this dashboard dresser, and you get this wax and this microfiber kit as well. So first I jiba car wash ta use kari ki age pani ta utie dhoi deba. Jiba safa kariya. So actually it was getting very hot outside, so I could not show you all the products and the details how to use it. Basically it's very easy. So if you are looking to get a kit for your car or bikes for proper maintenance or shining, I guess this is the best product, and the price is also very nominal. I have placed all the links below in the video description. If you need it, go ahead and buy it. Happy shopping, and smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you guys in the next video.